Welcome, pizza lovers and home cooks. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of cheese, specifically, what makes the perfect cheese for your homemade pizza. Choosing the right cheese is absolutely central to crafting a truly exceptional pie. It's the foundation of that irresistible, melty goodness we all crave. We want you to choose wisely when selecting which cheese will make up your next pizza masterpiece. Let's explore the best options for maximum melty cheese enjoyment. Get ready to elevate your pizza game. Mozzarella truly reigns supreme as the ultimate pizza cheese. It melts quickly and smoothly, creating that iconic, creamy texture. Its irresistibly milky flavor perfectly complements a wide array of toppings. Plus, mozzarella's incredible stretchiness forms those gooey, satisfying layers we all love. This is why it's also a star in dishes like caprese salads. Mozzarella cheese is made by heating and kneading curds from either buffalo or cow's milk. The proteins are stretched horizontally, then salt is applied to remove moisture. Sometimes, spices like paprika are added for extra flavor. For pizza, low-moisture mozzarella is your best friend. It's less likely to weep water when baked into a pizza crust. Its protein network tightens at high temperatures, forcing out trapped moisture. This results in pizzas with fewer watery puddles and a much more satisfying texture. Cheddar cheese is one of the most beloved American cheeses, indispensable in countless dishes. Its distinct, sharp taste pairs wonderfully with fruits, nuts, and cured meats. It also adds a fantastic dimension to creamy pasta or sandwiches. Cheddar is aged for various lengths of time, depending on its desired sharpness. You can find mild varieties aged for only a few months, or extra sharp ones aged for up to a year. Modern cheesemakers use starter cultures to promote acid-producing bacteria. This gives cheddar its unique tart and biting flavor. If you prefer a milder cheddar on your pizza, Havarti can be an ideal replacement. It offers subtler tones and complex notes of toasted hazelnuts and browned butter. Havarti has become one of the world's favorite pizza cheeses for its unique profile. Fontina cheese adds an elegant, creamy texture that makes any pizza taste better. It melts into a gorgeous layer that holds up beautifully against whatever toppings you choose. This Italian-style cow's milk cheese traditionally comes from the Aosta Valley. It's a creamy and nutty variety that develops more complex flavors as it ages. Made with milk from rich meadows and high-altitude pastures, its buttery taste pairs with a light fruit aroma. This unique combination gives Fontina its special character. You can use Fontina for simple margherita pizzas or elaborate pizza masterpieces. It's also fantastic in casseroles, mac and cheese dishes, or even on sandwiches. If you haven't tried Fontina yet, make time for it on your grocery list. Look for authentic d'Aosta DOP Fontina, sometimes called Fontella, at your local grocery store. Be aware that non-DOP versions from Denmark or the US may have lower moisture and different flavor profiles. Authentic Italian Fontina is easily identified by its signature DOP sticker on the rind. Monterey Jack cheese, with its mild melting properties, makes an excellent base for pizza. It perfectly complements different toppings like pepperoni or ham. This cheese was originally developed in Central California by Spanish missionaries in the 1800s. Today, it remains a beloved staple in homes throughout California. It truly goes with any pizza style perfectly. While its firm texture doesn't melt as easily as mozzarella, its tart tang adds dimension to toppings. Monterey Jack works particularly well when pairing with diverse flavor profiles. Think barbecue chicken pizza or a bacon cheeseburger pizza. It brings a subtle richness without overpowering other ingredients. Munster and feta are popular mild cheeses that make excellent pizza bases. They provide silky textures that enhance any toppings. These cheeses can also counteract sharper varieties, creating a balanced flavor. Goat cheese adds an exotic touch that pairs perfectly with vegetables or caramelized toppings. Its tangy, earthy notes are truly unique. Ricotta offers a wonderful softness on any pizza pie, adding a creamy, fresh element. Orata is an exquisite Italian cheese, similar to mozzarella, but with a more decadent and luscious filling. It's produced using the same technique as mozzarella. However, instead of stretching curds into balls, it's made into an open pillow. This pillow is then filled with stracciatella, an Italian blend of frayed pasta filata and cream. This process creates a delicate interior that tastes and resembles cold cream lava when cut open. It makes burrata an ideal, luxurious cheese pizza topping. Burrata can be more delicate and fragile than other high-moisture cheeses. If it remains uneaten for more than 1 or 2 days, store it tightly wrapped in plastic wrap or an airtight container. This helps maintain the moisture levels in its interior. Parmesan cheese is an indispensable addition to our refrigerators. It adds an irresistibly rich umami note to pasta dishes, salads, and hearty casseroles. It's one of the most versatile cheeses available. While it doesn't melt easily unless grated directly onto pizza, its flavor more than makes up for any shortfalls in melting characteristics. Its sharp, nutty profile is truly distinctive. There are a variety of cheese options in grocery store cheese departments that make suitable replacements for authentic Parmesan. Grana Padano comes very close in taste and texture to true Parmesan. Pecorino Romano is another hard cheese offering similar flavors, often at a lower cost. Ricotta cheese is a delicate, mild cheese that adds an irresistibly creamy layer to lasagna, cannoli filling, and of course, tasty pizza toppings. It also offers many health benefits. Its calcium and protein can help ward off fractures and osteoporosis. Plus, its lower moisture content makes it an excellent way to cut down on calories and reduce fat intake. You can even create homemade ricotta using leftover whey from cheesemaking. Heat pasteurized milk to the appropriate temperature, stirring in vinegar. Then transfer it to a mesh strainer placed over a deep bowl and strain for about an hour. Voila, you have homemade ricotta ready for consumption. Ricotta pairs beautifully with other savory ingredients, making it an excellent choice for gourmet pizzas. Try pairing it with heirloom tomatoes, sautéed oyster, shiitake, or bella mushrooms, and a touch of truffle salt. You won't be disappointed. It will create an irresistibly flavorful experience. If you haven't decided which cheeses will make the cut for your pizza toppings, why not mix several? Combining low-moisture mozzarella with some Asiago and pepper jack can add mild yet punchy layers of flavor. This creates a more complex taste profile. Or try something stronger like smoked Gouda or raclette. These cheeses have strong but subtle flavors and can stand up well against the heat in your oven. Experimentation is key to finding your perfect pizza blend. So go forth and create your cheesy pizza masterpieces. Enjoy the journey of discovery.